Welcome to my video. In this video I want to solve the system of equations 2/3 x plus 3/5 y is equal to 36. Second equation is 5/6 x minus 3/4 y is equal to minus 15. So in this problem we've got a little twist here. Normally we would have whole numbers out here. Here we have fractions. So what we want to do is we need to get rid of these fractions to make solving the problem a little easier. Working with fractions gets a little complicated. So our method of solution is we're going to multiply both equations by a common denominator. To the top and bottom equation. It doesn't have to be common to both equations, but to remove the fractions. So let's do that. In the first one, it looks like we have the 3 times 5 is 15, so that would make a nice common denominator. So let's multiply the top equation by 15 times 2/3 x plus 3/5 y times 15 is equal to 36 times 15. In the second equation, we'll call this 1 and 2. The second equation, we're going to 6 times 4 is 24, but 12 will also work. So let's multiply that by 12 times 5/6 x minus 12 times 3/4 y is equal to minus 15 times 12. All right, doing the math on that, we're going to go down one more level here. We're going to get 15 times 2 is 30 divided by 3x plus 45 over 5y. 36 times 15 is 540. In the second equation, 5 times 12 is 60 divided by 6x minus, and then 12 times 3 is 36 divided by 4. And 15 times 12, or minus 15, is 180. Minus 180. Reducing that down one more level. So we got 30 divided by 3 is 10x plus 45 divided by 5 is 9y is equal to 540. And 60 divided by 6 is going to be equal to 10x minus, and then 36 divided by 4 is 9y is equal to minus 180. Now, one way we can get rid of, it looks like we can get rid of the y term altogether, is just add these two together. That's a simple way of doing it. Normally, find a way to add these together or subtract them so that one of the terms, either the x or y, goes together. So in this case, we're going to get 20x, and then here the y's are going to cancel each other out, and 540 minus 180 is going to be equal to 360. So we're going to have x is going to be equal to 360 divided by 20, because we took the x over this side over here. We took the 20 over there, divided both sides by 20, and that's going to be 18. So there's our first result right there. X is equal to 18. Now what we want to do is we want to put that in equation 1. So we're going to use x is equal to 18, putting that in there. And we're going to go back to this equation right there in that form, just because it's simpler. So we've got 10 times 18 plus 9y is equal to 540. So multiplying that all out, we've got 180 plus 9y is equal to 540. Taking this over there, by making a minus sign, we got 9y And 540 minus 180 is 360. So we got 9y's, divide both sides by 9, and we come up with y is equal to 40. So there's our second result. So the solution is going to be the point 18 for x and 40 for y. So that's going to be our final answer.